up, you guys? It's your girl Fancy, and I am back with another YouTube today. And as you can tell, it's all about the eyes. Do you see this liner? Like, get into this glitter liner, you guys. Like, this is so freaking bomb. This look was inspired by one of my favorite Instagram influencers, Taylor Made Jane. Like, when I seen this, sis had that look on her page, I was like, listen, I have to recreate that look. It was so freaking bomb, you guys. And this is how it turned out. I think it turned out super cute. My eyes are so small, so it's kind of hard for me to do a higher cut crease. So I might try a higher cut crease with another color, but this is what it turned out to look like. I think I did pretty good. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are here, if you are new, welcome. And if you're not following me on my social media platforms, please follow me on Instagram, sis, at FancyIvy_MUA. And also follow my business page. Okay, you know your girl got a whole cosmetic line out here. It is an aviation themed, black owned cosmetic line inspired by my flight attendant career. My page for that is the FLYcollection Cosmetics. I have matte lipsticks, I have glosses, I have destination lashes, and I will be dropping these liners, well, this glitter, with my relaunch in July. So you guys, please follow that page at FLYcollection Cosmetics to, you know, stay up to date and turn your post notifications so you won't miss the first sale, sis. When I first launched it in August, I sold out within like 2 or 3 days. Okay, this relaunch is about to be so freaking big, the biggest I've done, because I've been working so hard on my cosmetic relaunch. You guys are going to freaking love it. Okay, I'm not going to talk you guys to death. Okay, so if you want to know or to learn how I achieve this eye look, please keep watching. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is to fill in my brows. What you see, they are thin as hell. So I'm going to use this Morphe pencil. I do not know the name of the pencil, but when you purchase the pencil, the name only comes on the box and not the actual pencil. I love this pencil because it gives me more of a sketchy look and not a bold, harsh brow. I love that I can freely sketch in my brows with this particular pencil. And I must say, y'all, this is like totally comparable to Spike by MAC, but only dollars cheaper, sis. Like, I only pay like $5 for this pencil, and Spike pencils be like $16. Like, no ma'am, I will be going back and getting the same pencil. But you see how it gives me that sketch effect? I freaking love. Okay, going in with a super flat brush to conceal my brows. And you already know I like to use my favorites, LA Pro. I'm using Fawn and the color Beautiful Bronze. I like to conceal my brows with 2 different shades because I like to avoid the halo effect. Like, you ever seen somebody's brows, sis, and it be like so light? Like, that's too much work to be trying to blend all that together. So use a lighter color at the bottom of the brow and a darker color at the top of the brow. And that's what I like to do to keep it real simple because it's so easy to blend. Okay, sis, now I'm starting with the eyeshadow. And I'm going to start off with just building my colors. Although I'm comfortable enough just probably to put in black. But if you are a beginner to cut crease, I would suggest you start with a brown and build to black. Because if you put the black in your crease and you feel like, oh, this is too dark for me, I didn't want it this dark, it's kind of hard to tone down those shades, a darker shade. So it's just easier to just take a brown and just build from there. Okay, now into the fun part. I'm going to cut my crease today using the Tarte concealer in the color Tan Sand. And how I'm going to cut the crease is I'm going to put the concealer on my lid. And y'all, this is the trick. You're going to look up. Bam, sis. The crease is cut. The crease is cut. This is the cheat code, sis. And you're going to take a super flat brush. And you're just going to follow where your crease was cut when you looked up. You're just going to follow that line. You have smaller eyes like me, you can take the crease up higher. But this is just a easy guide to help you cut your crease. And just keep practicing this way until you're able to just free eye if you want to just, you know, do a shortcut crease, or you can take the crease up higher. Okay, since I went ahead and just finished the other eye and also applied my liner off camera, but I'm going to show you the easy way to do colored glitter. What I did is I went ahead and just lined my eyes with the NYX matte glitter liner. I'm going to take a little bit of this glitter primer, and I'm just going to follow the liner with a flat brush and just place the primer on the liner. Place the primer on the liner. That rhyme. I'm so lame. But this is like a, you know, a cool guided way to do any color glitter liner you want. Like if you don't have pink liner but you want to do the pink glitter, if you wanted to do green, if you want to do blue, you don't have to have those colored liners. You can use a black liner, something that you already have, and just add the colored glitters to your lid. Okay, it's time to add the glitter. Okay, is she popping? This is the glitter that will be relaunching with the FLYcollection Cosmetic line this month, July 2020. And she's giving me all types of vibes. At the end of the video, I did ask because you guys helped me name the glitter, but I had some time to think about it. And you can still throw me your ideas, but I decided to go with airport codes, like airport code glitter. And I decided to name this blue glitter MIA, which is the Miami International Airport. Like, sis, doesn't this blue give you like a Miami vibes, honey? On South Beach, living our best life. Like, get into it. Y'all know I was just feeling myself, but look at this blue. Like, yes. I'm about to add my foundation and my lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, ladies, this is the finished look. I did my lashes and my foundation off camera. Contour and all this stuff off camera. If you want to see a foundation or a flawless foundation tutorial, please watch my Instagram. Oh my gosh. If you want to see a flawless foundation tutorial, I do have a foundation routine on my channel as well. I will try my best to see can I link it to this video so you can just click it and go to it. So I didn't do a foundation look. Well, do my foundation on this particular video. I just did my brows and the eyes, and this is how the look turned out. I think I did pretty well. And again, this blue liner is from my cosmetic line, FLYcollection. You guys help me name this because I just got my samples in today, and when I do my relaunch in when I do my relaunch in July, I'll be launching my glitters as well. I will be having blue, green, pink, purple, orange, all those pretty colors. So sis, if you're looking forward to purchasing some glitters, please make sure you're following my page at the FLYcollection_Cosmetics so you would not miss this freaking relaunch. Okay, so this is the finished look, and I hope you guys like it.